Hey guys, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a day in my life vlog, my first ever vlog here on YouTube. I'm so excited. Today I have a bunch of things planned, so I'm trying to make it as productive as possible. Right now it's currently 10 a.m. and I just finished doing my hair, and then later on I'm gonna be doing a first impressions on this video as well because I ordered some online makeup, which is what you do during social distancing. And yeah. So I'm just currently eating breakfast right now, and then right after breakfast, I'm just gonna wash all the dishes that I used. Hey guys, so I am back in my room now, and it's currently around 11:50, maybe 12 now, and I'm just gonna start doing some online work that I have not been doing. So I'm just gonna be catching up on all of that. Hey guys, so it's finally 2 o'clock now, and I am finally going to change. So I'm gonna look for an outfit really quick and then be right back. So I decided to go with this striped t-shirt looking dress and just tied this flannel looking shirt around my waist, and for shoes just went with these white Nikes. And that is my outfit for today. I am now going to be doing a really quick, easy makeup and nothing too fancy. I'm just going to be starting off with my brows, and I am using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Just going to do that really quick. As always, I'm going to be priming my face with the Benefit Professional Primer. It's one of my favorite primers. I really love how smooth it leaves my skin. I'm now just going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and concealing my face. Now that I have everything blended, I'm just going in with the Fit Me Press Powder and setting my face. I'm just going to use the Butter London palette and taking a flat shader brush. I'm just getting the shimmery shade, which is Diva, and applying it all over my lid. Now taking a blending brush, I'm just going to blend it all in so it doesn't leave any harsh lines. Now I'm just taking this flat liner brush and taking the shade Temptress, I can't even pronounce it, Temptress, and lining my lid as if it were eyeliner. that is it for the eyes. Now before I finish the eyes, I am just gonna continue with my face. And I'm taking this mini Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm taking a big fluffy brush. And I'm just lightly bronzing. Next, I am using the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in the shade Fair Light. And I'm going to go in with, I'm going to mix these two colors together. Lastly, on my face, I'm using the Becca Jekyll & Hill Collaboration Palette. And I'm using the champagne color to highlight my cheeks. I ended up setting my face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Just to finish off the look, I'm just going to be adding some lip balm. I have decided that today I wanted to go downtown and just find a place to take pictures. And the places are completely empty, so it's just going to be me and my brother. He's going to be taking me. And yeah, that's what I have planned for today. It's currently 4:45. I am here with my brother and we are looking for places to go take pictures. We made a quick stop here at Dunkin' Donuts Props. And yeah, that's what we're currently doing right now. By the way, I did change because I felt like this shirt would actually look better with the backgrounds of the places we might find. I'm trying to look for darker settings. So yeah. We just got, I can't talk.
We just got,
we just got done taking pictures and I say it was a success.
Success. Why can't you talk? Don't nervous?
Yeah. Any hoozle. 10 out of 10 with this photographer right here. After going to the mail 3 times, leaving the house, I came back and my package was here. So I decided that I'm going to do like a little mini haul of the things that I bought during the Ulta spring sale. So yeah. First off, I want to start off with these Morphe brushes, the James Charles, the eye brushes set. And I'm barely going to be opening them right now. I can. It has the most cutest packaging ever. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use them. They look so fluffy. Yes. So these are those. So excited to use that. I also got some brushes by Jekyll & Hill. I got these 3 brushes. This is the JH34. I got 2 of those and then 1 JH35. I got this EcoTools Total Perfecting Beauty Blender because I needed a new one. I love highlighter palettes. Like, I just love them, and I finally purchased the NikkieTutorials collab with Ofra. And I'm so excited. The packaging is so cute. This is how it looks. I'm so excited for all of the, oh my god. They are so pigmented. I don't know if you can see that. But yes. I got this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer because I heard so many good things about this, and I love the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, and I heard that this is supposedly a dupe for that, so I'm gonna test that out. I got this Ardell Dual Lash Application to help me put on falsies, just to make it way easier because I find it very difficult to apply some false eyelashes. I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I've been meaning to get this for a while now because I use the same Maybelline Lasting Fix and I heard really good reviews about this one. So I'm super excited to try out this. I got the James Charles mini palette and this was only $13. So I'm so excited. And it has such beautiful colors. Let's open this up. Oh my god, yeah. I could see. This is like an everyday eyeshadow for me. Like, look at that. And for $13, I had to jump on that deal. So excited for that. I'm not really a foundation person. I use concealer like all the time. It's like in my everyday routine, but I decided to get the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. So I decided to get that. I hope it's in my shade. This is how it looks. It's so cute. I really like it and I'm so excited for this. I hope it's not too yellow or dark because that would be very disappointing. But anyways, lastly, I got this Revolution Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Bronzer. And I always like trying different bronzers, so I'm super excited for this. And oh my god, the packaging is so cute. I think this is only like $5, so like look at that. That is so cute. Oh yeah, I really like the shade of it. It has like a little shimmer to it, so I'm super excited to wear that. And those are the last things that I got. I'm really excited for these brushes. I love buying new brushes. Like, I feel like brushes is what makes application of the makeup so much easier and better. It just makes the whole difference. So I really wanted these eye brushes. And yeah, that is it for this little mini haul. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming. Better vlogs to come, better quality, I promise. But all I'm gonna do now is shower and then maybe just watch a movie with my sisters and then go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Just knocked the box over. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.